Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income. With the right strategies, you can build a sustainable $10 per month business. Choose a niche that has high demand and aligns with your interests. A more specific niche attracts an easier-to-convert audience. Focus on high-converting affiliate programs with generous commissions. Look for networks with substantial payouts and recurring commissions. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value and addresses your audience's pain points. Leverage SEO to drive organic traffic. Conduct keyword research and optimize your content to increase traffic and conversions. Build an email list by offering valuable content. Use email campaigns to nurture relationships and promote affiliate products effectively. Consider promoting high-ticket affiliate products for larger commissions. Fewer sales can quickly help you hit $10K a month. Utilize paid advertising to scale quickly. Track your ROI to ensure your ad campaigns remain profitable. Diversifying your affiliate offers across different programs increases your chances of earning. Promote a mix of products. Optimize your conversion rates with effective CTAs and landing pages. A/B testing can help improve results and boost commissions. Monitor your results consistently using analytical tools. Analyze performance to refine strategies and maximize your earnings.